Okay everybody, it's me, Power Cat, and today I'm going to be doing part 2 of this ceiling fan. Let's start with low speed. Here it is with the light. Here it is with the light off. Very slow low. This is low speed. There's low with the light on. It's noisy out there. There's low with the lights on. Let's move up to medium speed. The blades are a little bit off. Here's medium speed with the light on. It actually moves pretty good air. It's not bad. Let's go to high speed. Very loud. Nice and fast. This is high speed. Very noisy. High with the light on. High with the light off. Let's just turn this off now. Very, very noisy. Because of this globe. See if I can fix this. Just a loose thing on this wall. Okay, it shouldn't vibrate anymore. Let's try it now. Hold it along. Okay, whatever. For part 2, I'm going to be fixing these brackets. I have 2 more fans to test today, so I'm gonna take that apart. I have to take all these apart. I have a lot of stuff to do.